Open your banking app and check how much you're spending on software subscriptions every month. Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Cloud, Calendly, password managers. It adds up fast. One journalist audited her subscriptions and found she was paying $85 a month, over $1,000 a year, just for the right to use her own computer. In this video, I'm showing you 5 completely free tools that replace expensive software. I use all of these myself. No hidden fees, no subscriptions. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is LibreOffice. This replaces Microsoft 365, which costs around $70 a year. LibreOffice gives you everything: Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations. It even handles databases and graphics. And here's the best part. It reads and writes Microsoft file formats. DOCX, XLSX, PPTX, they all work. You can open a Word document, edit it, and save it back without any problems. The interface looks a little different, but the functionality is all there. If you're tired of paying Microsoft every year, LibreOffice is the answer. Tool number 2 is GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program. This replaces Adobe Photoshop, which costs $240 a year. Now I'll be honest, GIMP has a learning curve. It doesn't have as much AI built in as Photoshop, but it has all the core features: layers, masks, brushes, filters, and plugin support. One professional even found that recent updates have finally fixed the clunky interface that used to frustrate people. And here's a pro tip. You can actually customize GIMP to feel more like Photoshop by adding plugins. For most people who aren't professional designers, GIMP does everything you need for free. Tool number 3 is DaVinci Resolve. This replaces Adobe Premiere Pro, which costs $240 a year. And here's the surprising part. The free version of DaVinci Resolve is actually better and more stable than Premiere Pro for most users. It just requires significantly less processing power to run. Professional video editors use this tool. Hollywood uses this tool. And the free version gives you professional-grade color correction, audio editing, and visual effects. There is a paid version, but the free version is already powerful enough for 95% of users. If you edit videos, even occasionally, this is a game changer. Tool number 4 is Bitwarden. This replaces paid password managers like 1Password and LastPass, which cost around $36 a year. Bitwarden is completely free, open source, and syncs across all your devices: phone, computer, tablet. You generate strong, unique passwords for every website. You only remember one master password. That's it. One journalist replaced her paid password manager with Bitwarden, and it was one of the easiest switches she made. If you're still reusing passwords, you're taking a huge risk. Bitwarden fixes that problem for free. And tool number 5 is Calc.com. This replaces Calendly, which costs $96 a year. Calc.com does exactly the same thing. You share a link, people book time on your calendar. No more back-and-forth emails. No more "when are you free" messages. It's open source, it's self-hostable if you want, and it's completely free. Calc.com has over 40,000 stars on GitHub and is actively maintained. If you schedule any meetings at all, client calls, interviews, doctor appointments, this tool will save you hours. Let's add it up. LibreOffice saves you $70 a year. GIMP saves you $240. DaVinci Resolve saves you $240. Bitwarden saves you $36. Calc.com saves you $96. That's over $680 a year you can keep in your pocket, all from tools that are completely free. Which tool are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and I'll reply with tips on how to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Newton Tech for more practical tech advice. I'll see you in the next one.